Hi, I am Geetika. Let's see the things that I carry in my carry-on bag. So I grab all of the things to show you one by one. So let's just begin with this red color hair Scrunchie, and this is super silky, super soft in order to avoid friction in my hair. This is my lip and cheek tint in the shade Coral Crush. I like to apply color on my face, whether it is blush or highlighter. This is my body mist. This comes in this cute little container and this smells so good. And this is my hair clip to tie my hairs up, because you know I have pretty long hair, so I need to tie them. This is my simply a hand cream to moisturize my hands whenever they becomes dry. My sunscreen is really important, so always carry a sunscreen with yourself. And this is my moisturizer, and I kept a small cotton pads in it to wipe up excess oil on my face. And this is Vaseline lip care total moisturizer for long lasting intense moisture on my lips. And this is just simply a hand soap sheets when I want to wash my hands. And you can also keep a sanitizer with yourself. And this is my sunglasses. I always wear sunglasses to avoid sun rays, and this is just simply face wipe to avoid excess oil or wipe excess oil or dirt on my face. And I kept all of the things in this cute little transparent bag. And hope you enjoy this video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.